And one of the keychains that I sell is totems. What is a totem? And totem is an object of meaning. So an object in real life that carries meaning. And so these are KindEdge.com totems from our Amazon store. And I built these for myself. You don't have to buy something. I love the keychains, but you can just have a screensaver on your phone that reminds you every day of the one thing you want to dig into your brain. We have a keychain that says only one driver to a life. And I had to build this for myself when I was digging into patterns I had where I would make decisions because of what would please somebody else, or what would be approved of by somebody else, or what would look logical to somebody else. And it can be your beliefs about how you use your money and your spending, and you don't want to tell your accountant that you're using your savings in a weird way, or a spouse, or what would look good on LinkedIn and that kind of thing. Only one driver to a life means that you get one life. If anybody else is in your head driving it, you're doing it wrong. You only get this life. They can drive their own life. They get their life to drive, to make choices of, to make decisions of, to filter out, to filter in. Only one driver to a life. Who do you need to give you permission to begin to change? You give you permission. It's going to disappoint people. It's going to muck things up. You're going to have to renegotiate who's in your team and who's not on your team. But there's only one driver to a life. You give yourself permission, and you are the only person that gets to do that. You have permission. I give you permission, but you don't need my permission. It's yours. Put the time and effort and money and everything, because I'm now clear. I'm clear on between now and death that this has got to happen, and that waiting a year is just another on hold thing that's going to happen for another 10 years. So keep these notes on hand as you move forward for the next few KindEdge steps, wherein we get clarity on your North Star and then get further clarity on what changes and tough choices will be necessary, but highly valuable as you progress forward. So cheers to you for making it this far. Well done. Here's to you continuing your progress toward unlocking the alternate ending to your life. And as we do in every step, you're now going to put the next time for your next step on your calendar, mark that time off, sacred for you. Let anybody else in your life know, Wednesday from 6 to 7 p.m., I've got it blocked off for the project of me. And if you don't come home late, babysitter, be sure to be there for the kids. Whatever it is you need to do to protect that time, you mark it off and you protect it. And then now, go do something rewarding. Make this KindEdge.com journey sustainable by making it rewarding and something that you're going to want to come back to every day. And I'm just going to add one other comment, which is I mentioned putting notes in a journal. So we have the KindEdge.com project. This is the core that you're building, that you're going to reflect on every step. This is where you come back to for clarity of, why am I doing this? What are the choices I'm making? Why again was this an important choice? What else do I have to unchoose? So these are the steps. So we also always want to have on hand the things that help you just with your meandering thoughts and notes and reflections.